Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of Careerkunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, we are consistently updating students about TCS MBA hiring and answering their queries that we are receiving in the comment section. In this video, I will be answering the queries that we have received in the last video that we uploaded yesterday. If you have any more queries, you can let us know in the comment section of this video. We'll make another video to answer them. So let's move on to the comment section one by one. Hello sir, a few days ago I informed the teachers LP that I mentioned my percentage incorrect by mistake in SSC section of BGC through a mail. Today they responded, they told me that you can make changes only after joining TCS. Perfect. They have responded to you. You have just proved that you did a mistake and you informed it. Somebody asks you later by you did a mistake, you can show this mail that I have informed them. Now you can correct it after joining. So that's fine. Next, hello sir. I have accepted the offer and submitted the BGC. Do I need to do anything now on the LP corner, campus commute, or certification the next step? Also remember to fill the feedback from the portal. No, you don't have to do anything now. Campus commune will have something, but it is not compulsory. Certification again are not compulsory. And feedback form is up to you. Again, it's not a compulsion. So basically, initiation of the BGC was the most important thing. Uh, Next, I would like to inform you that I have completed all my background check documentations. However, the portal still shows pending. It is around 2 3 months. I said document I not received my joining letter or any further communication regarding my onboarding. Will you let me know how much time will it take for BGC to become? See, BGC and joining are two different things, two different teams. So your background check is irrespective of your joining. That's a separate team. Whenever they get a chance, they will do it. For joining usually happens in quarter 2, which is this one. So there are high chances that joining will come this quarter. It can go beyond as well, so nothing can be said with certainty, but high chances that it will come in this quarter. Next, sir, one silly question: are you allowed to have beard? I really love my face with it. I feel less confident without it. Yes, it's completely fine as long as it is organized. So if you have an organized beard, it's completely fine. It is professional. It is considered a professionalism, so that's fine. Next, sir, is it okay if I join any other organization and want to earn my expenses before joining TCS and take proper exit? I made a recent video on this. You should have checked this. This is completely fine, and my video talks about that only, so you can check that. So I am from a non-computer background and I do not have much knowledge about coding and other things. Could you please tell me what courses I need to do to improve myself before joining? So basically, in if you are an MBA hiring select, then you will not be doing coding. You will be doing techno-functional role. Now, techno-functional roles are something where you don't need knowledge of coding. You should understand like technology, the particular software, and what client want the changes and how you have to do that, and there will be training about it. So as of now, and then you are selected also, that means panels have also checked your suitability, whether you will be able to work in TCS or not. So all those checks have been done. Now answering to your question, what you should do. So basically, you should increase the knowledge about the IT world, how does IT company works, what is software development life cycle. And then if you are interested, and I would recommend you even to do a course on Python, right? Because it's one of the easiest language to learn, and that will give you an insight how does coding happens. Because since you have a non-computer background, the more you know about the world of IT, the better it will help you tomorrow in any role. Okay, so till your joining comes, you can do courses into Python, artificial intelligence, data analytics. So this will help you tomorrow. Next. Hi sir, you mentioned that we need to submit the BGC form with the MBA mark sheet, but the next step portal is allowing you to submit the form without uploading them. You should upload it. And the next step portal isn't allowing you to submit the form without uploading them. No, basically there are some compulsory mark sheets. You may submission without. I told you you can submit it without the final sem mark sheet, but otherwise, all the previous sem mark sheet it will ask you to upload. So you have to upload all the mark sheet that is available. If you don't have the final sem mark sheet, you can still submit it. Okay, without that. So upload the rest of the mark sheets. Okay, so I think we have covered all the comments. Thank you so much.